Question and answer, how to play. This parlor game is for 2 or more players. Give each player a piece of paper and a pen. Each player folds their piece of paper in half, then writes any question on the top half of the paper. Once everyone is finished, the papers are flipped over and passed clockwise to the next player, who now writes an answer. The answer doesn't have to be a real or accurate answer, just a statement that could be an answer. The papers are passed clockwise again, and now everyone unfolds their paper and takes turns reading the questions and answers aloud. Repeat this process for continued laughs. A fun variation to this game is to replace the questions with hypothetical if or when statements, and the answers with sentences written in the conditional or future tense.